Looking for a natural way to enhance your health before bed? Clove water might just be the perfect solution. In this video, we're going to dive into the amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night and how it can improve everything from digestion to sleep. So get comfortable and let's unlock the power of this ancient spice. Cloves are tiny but mighty. They're dried flower buds from the clove tree, and they've been treasured for thousands of years. Originating from the Spice Islands near China, cloves were once as valuable as gold, prized not just for their flavor, but for their medicinal properties. Today, you'll find cloves adding warmth and depth to dishes all over the world. But there's more to this spice than just its taste. Cloves can be used in different forms, whole or ground. Ground cloves are often used in spice mixes or baked goods, while whole cloves add bold flavor to curries, teas, and even spiced wine. But when it comes to clove water, you want to use whole cloves to get the maximum benefits. So, what makes cloves so special? These tiny pods pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. Cloves are loaded with manganese, a mineral that helps your body repair bones and make important hormones. They're also rich in antioxidants like eugenol, which we'll talk more about later. And don't forget about the vitamin K, potassium, and beta-carotene in these little wonders. Beta-carotene is what gives cloves their rich brown color, but it's more than just a pigment. Once inside your body, beta-carotene turns into vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision and a strong immune system. A teaspoon of cloves may be small, but it's packed with these essential nutrients. Now let's talk about clove water. It's incredibly simple to prepare. Just soak a few whole cloves in water for several hours or overnight, and you've got yourself a natural health tonic. But what exactly are the benefits of drinking clove water, especially at night? Let's explore. First and foremost, clove water can work wonders for your digestive system. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and help alleviate issues like bloating, indigestion, and even nausea. Drinking clove water at night can soothe your stomach and prepare your digestive system for a restful night, helping your body process food more effectively. Eugenol isn't just good for digestion, it's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is at the root of many health issues, from joint pain and arthritis to more serious conditions like heart disease. Drinking clove water regularly may help reduce inflammation throughout your body, making it a natural remedy for people dealing with chronic pain or inflammatory conditions. Clove water is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are like tiny bodyguards that fight free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to serious health problems like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Drinking clove water at night helps your body combat these harmful free radicals, protecting your cells while you sleep. One of the most common reasons people try clove water at night is for better sleep. The calming effects of cloves can help reduce anxiety and restlessness, preparing your body for a peaceful night's rest. Plus, if you suffer from nighttime discomfort like bloating or indigestion, clove water can ease that too, making it easier for you to drift off into a deep sleep. Your liver works hard while you sleep, and clove water can give it a helping hand. Research suggests that eugenol in cloves may help improve liver function and even reduce symptoms of liver diseases like cirrhosis and fatty liver. By drinking clove water at night, you're giving your liver the support it needs to detoxify and heal while you rest. Cloves are packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties, which makes clove water a great addition to your nighttime routine if you want to boost your immune system. Drinking it regularly can help your body fend off infections and keep you feeling strong and healthy. While clove water offers many benefits, it's important to use it in moderation. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which can be toxic in large amounts. Stick to using just a few cloves in your water to avoid any potential side effects. As with any natural remedy, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor, especially if you're on medication. Ready to try clove water for yourself? Here's a simple recipe. Take 2 to 3 whole cloves. Soak them in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, remove the cloves and drink the water. It's that easy. For best results, drink it before bed or first thing in the morning. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, or simply get a better night's sleep, clove water is a simple, natural remedy that may offer powerful benefits. Why not give it a try and see how it works for you? Remember, balance is key. Drink it in moderation and enjoy the health boost it brings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might benefit from clove water, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips.